Phoenix Weaponry here. We wanted to share with you a little bit about our coating and finishing services. We're great craftsmen and artists, and we take pride in the work that we do, and we want it to be special. I think you can see by the finishes that we've done in the past that we're going to take care of you. We offer a wide variety of services: Cerakoting, DuraCoating, bluing and browning services, blue nitrite finishes, complete wood refinishing services, high temperature aluminum ceramic coatings. We can even match military and hunting style camouflages. We'll do custom color matchings or a full-on custom design. If you can dream it, we'll make it, and we'll make it happen, and we'll make sure you're proud of the firearm that you own. Come in to the shop, bring in what you have, come talk to us, and we'll get you set up with something that's going to look great and that you'll be proud of.